Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here is a summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. A coalition of over 1,000 lawyers under the aegis of the Associations of Legislative Drafting and Advocacy Practitioners has called on the Senate to reject the nominations of Prof. Josh Ojo as the new chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). Operatives of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) have arrested a 52-year-old businessman Ejiofor Godwin Emeka at the Malam Aminu Kano International Airport. Following days of observations, officers recover 127 wraps of cocaine concealed in his stomach and private parts. A disturbing trend of harassment and abuse of journalists by Nigerian security officials continue to raise concern about press freedom and public safety in the country. On Saturday, a civil defense officer allegedly assaulted a channel's television correspondent in Zaria during the inauguration ceremony of former Vice President Namadi Sambo Sardauna Zazzau. Witness said the journalist was attacked while carrying out his lawful duty of news coverage. Media observers and human rights advocates have condemned the incident, described it as another example of the growing hostility journalists face from security operatives in Nigeria. Now in security, Nigerian army troops have repelled a Boko Haram ambush in Borno State, killing several terrorists during a first contact attack. The incident occurred when the troops came under heavy fire from insurgents while on a routine patrol in one of the flashpoint areas of the state. 4 bandits arrested in Kwara, a vigilance group in Lade district of Patigi local government area of the state, conducted on operations resulting in the arrest of 4 bandits with guns. The Kaduna State Police Command has arrested 2 women for alleged child trafficking. The suspect reportedly stole a 1-month-old baby from Zaria. According to the police public relations officer Mansur Hassan, the suspects were apprehended while attempting to move to Abuja with the baby. Hassan, who briefed journalists at the command headquarters, said efforts are ongoing to locate the baby's parents. He urged the media to share the baby's photo and video to help identify her family. Now politics. Chairman of PDP Governors Forum Governor Bala Mohammed of Bauchi has expressed confidence that despite recent defections to ruling APC, the opposition will remain strong and secure victory in 2027 general elections. The People's Democratic Party candidate in the Kauran Namoda South State Assembly by-elections in August 2025, Mohammed has defeated to All Progressive Congress (APC). The Forum of Councillors in Borno State have endorsed the enthronement of President Bala Tinubu for second term. The APC councillors gave the endorsement during a news briefing in Maiduguri led by their chairman, Kello. Now from the international scene, at least 4 people were killed and 12 others were injured in an overnight shooting in Lalande on Friday. The shooting took place after a homecoming football game at Lalande High School. Donald Trump and Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi will chair an international summit to discuss the U.S. president's proposal to end Israel's war on Gaza in Sharm el-Sheikh today. The meeting will involve leaders from more than 20 countries. Bangladesh has begun a nationwide vaccination campaign to protect millions of children from typhoid, a life-threatening disease that is becoming increasingly resistant to antibiotics. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us on Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.